Just gotta hide myself. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Comment, like, subscribe, click the bell. All of those things help us due to the nature of the algorithm. Also, there's a website that we have for you to look at where you can hire us for events and buy stuff from us, like great t-shirts that say Dancakes on them, pancake art kits that make you dope at pancake art like we are, and even preserved pancakes by us for your wall. Also, look at all these YouTube videos. There's so many of them. Watch every single one of them right now. Thank you. Goodbye.